part of the shipbuilding industry, the energy industry, petrochemical industry, and even the construction industry is CHOSUN Welding, the leader in Korea's welding industry. CHOSUN Welding started as CHOSUN Steel Wire in January 1949 at a time when South Korea was an industrial wasteland. In 1965, CHOSUN Welding introduced equipment to manufacture covered arc welding electrodes and obtained the KS mark indicating conformity with applicable Korean industrial standards. In 1995, CHOSUN Welding emerged as the industry leader in Korea's welding material business, as it obtained a variety of certifications, including a Quality Management System ISO 9001 certification, and even secured other international standards. In 1975, CHOSUN Welding got listed on KOSPI as it went public, a business process unknown to the industry at that time. In order to supply quality products that meet the market demand for high-efficient automatic welding materials, CHOSUN Welding, as the industry's most competitive and the one and only stock-listed company in the industry, in 1987 installed new manufacturing equipment in its Pohang factory to produce solid wire for mag welding. In 1995, CHOSUN Welding built a factory in Wonsan to produce flux-cored wire. By 2002, CHOSUN Welding maximized and stabilized its supply chain, both domestic and overseas, through the acquisition of factory sites and continuous introduction of new production lines. In 2007, CHOSUN Welding developed flux-cored wire combining 2Y and 3Y, and thus obtained the NEP certification granted by the Ministry of Commerce, Industry, and Energy. Such commitment to technology development and innovation is the driving force for CHOSUN Welding to continue to make best efforts provide products and services with excellent quality. CHOSUN Welding is producing products suited for each industry it serves, which include covered arc welding electrodes, used across various welding industries such as construction and plants building industry, flux-cored wire and submerged arc welding flux and wire, used in the shipbuilding and offshore industry, solid wire for mag and MIG welding, and solid wire for TIG welding used in the automobile and construction equipment industry. CHOSUN Welding is streamlining its production process through efficient system management. It produces all the products through employing the ERP system and the state-of-the-art MES automation system, both of which it started implementing in 2005. CHOSUN Welding uses its PDA software to computerize the reception of raw materials as soon as they are warehoused, in order to make sure that all of the processes are managed automatically through its computerized programs. The state-of-the-art MES automation system, which allows for real-time, exact production, improves the quality of products and minimizes errors, thus streamlining production processes to produce products that satisfy customers. Also, the automation system using barcode scanners enhances the efficiency of process control, while the automatic packaging process using robots facilitates the fast and accurate release system. In addition, products are only released when they have passed the final inspection involving precise performance tests. These efforts have been the foundation of our growth in a variety of industries and have served as the driving force behind working in partnership with global companies, both home and abroad. CHOSUN Welding is strengthening its position as a global enterprise. It established a local subsidiary in Vietnam that not only provides products for the local market, but also serves as a springboard for aggressively targeting international markets such as China, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East, where increased demand for welding materials are expected to continue to grow. In 2010, CHOSUN Welding transformed the company's structure to become a holding company and has systematically run its own subsidiaries in and out of Korea under the control of the holding company. Our commitment to provide best products and services in the world does not end here. Our research and development institutes are devoted to developing high-performance, high-efficiency welding techniques, a variety of welding materials, and differentiated products and services. CHOSUN Welding is making continuous efforts to push ahead with developing world-class technology and producing products. CHOSUN Welding, having improved its enterprise value through ceaseless change and innovation, is writing a new chapter to become the leader in the welding material industry, not only in Korea, but also globally.